Operation Find Mom's Snack Stash is in full effect. Whoa! Wendy! Check it out! Are those jumbo marshmallows? It looks incredible! I can't wait any longer. I don't think so. Ever hear of sharing? You're such a cake hog! Ugh, fine. I'll just grab myself a piece. How do you like that? Two can play this game! Huh? What's that? Well, we've got no time to waste! How much of this can fit in my belly? I'd say I've still got some room. Don't take all the marshmallows! You got more frosting than me! You're so selfish! Cake bite! Oh, girls! You ate the other cake? You don't deserve this one. Or you can at least eat it properly. One mug is all you need to get the perfectly sized piece. Come and get it, girls! And I promise they're the same size. You're the best mom ever! Anything for my sweet girls. This picture's so going up in my room. Ugh, drawing sure works up an appetite. My tummy's grumbling like crazy. Mom? I know what you're thinking. So good! Is this blueberry? That really hit the spot. Thanks. Oh! I love you, Mom! Why is motherhood so messy? Something smells good in here. Hey, Mom? Mom! Here for another one of these, I presume. Here you go, sweetheart. Enjoy! Ooh! What was that? Wendy! What's wrong with this thing? It won't fit! It's empty! Mom! I need another one! This is getting ridiculous. But I think I know what can work. I'm actually juggling! Ooh! Hey, Mommy? Yes? I'm a little hungry. I thought you'd say that. And lucky for you, I came prepared. This thing gives you the perfect bites. Gimme! Wow! Thanks, Mommy! Delicious! You want to cook, Mr. Teddy? Oh, thanks, Mom. Or maybe not. That stuff looks like it belongs in the toilet. Here, you eat it. Make sure you finish it all. Like it? Mickey! You wasted all that soup! Teddy wanted it. Enough! This one is for your mouth only. You'll like it, I promise. Oh, yeah? I don't think so. Much better. Finished? That's my good girl. Whoa! What on earth? This mama's going down! Ooh! Mommy? Feeding the floor my soup, huh? You are in big trouble, young lady. Don't give me those eyes. I said no eyes! I can't help it. I guess you'll just have to do this. What's the matter with this thing? Well, can't spill my food anymore, can you? Weird. Looks like this soup's not going anywhere. I guess you'll just have to eat it. Brilliant, Mom Alert! Here, baby. This cake's for you. But I don't eat vanilla icing. I'm so thirsty. Guess it's time for a refill. Ugh! Come on! Jeez! Mom! I need help. Just push it hard, dear. Is that better? Such a thirsty girl. I really needed that. More, please! Alright then. Hold out your little cup. Why don't you use this thing? Wow! It's so cute! And it's all for me. Fill her up. It's just like like a real water cooler! Thanks, Mom! My pleasure. Finally, back to Fantasyland. Mommy? Yes, dear? Oh! Just a couple pimples, Mom. It's because you're eating candy! Uh-oh. Now, what's our rule about candy for breakfast? You should know better. And stop scratching those things! Maybe I have something to help you. My eggs? I know what to do. If candy's all your kid has on the brain, just mimic their favorite treat with breakfast food. Just pour the egg whites into the mold. And cover them like this. Look at all those fun shapes! Then it's off to the stove they go! 15 minutes ought to do it. Once they've cooled a bit, remove the lids. Now all you have to do is pour the yolk in. Perfect! Don't these look spectacular? Last one! Then put the lids on once more and boil them for another 15 minutes. Then you're left with this. Once it's on the cutting board, slice it to reveal a bunch of shapes. Then stick it with a skewer like this. Breakfast lollies for the win! Okay, dig in, dear. This lollipop's way better for you. It's good! And Mama scores again. And now for my reward. What you baking in here, Mom? Are those my favorite chips? Must have snack! Oh yeah! Now we're talking! Salty! You okay over there, sweetheart? I'm just finishing up the dough. And now onto the big stuff! Is it ready yet? Patience. This recipe takes time. Then I'll help speed things up. Ooh! Can I open this? Here I go! Nope! Huh? Hey! You're gonna hurt yourself. Why don't you just handle the cheese? You mean shredded cheese? Ha! Wait. Hand him over. Fine. Isn't cooking supposed to be fun? Check out those sausages! She won't notice if one's gone. You're mine! And I like my meat sliced and diced! Mickey! No! Put the saw down! I'm the chef now! You'll love it! Mom! Look it! What? It's whole, see? Wait! I know a way safer way to slice that. Just put the sausage inside this. Careful now. It's like a little house for the sausage. And poof! It's like magic! Perfect! Now toss them in. This pizza's looking tasty already. And it'll look even better after it's cooked. What do you think? Our very own homemade pizza! That's not too shabby, huh? Wanna put these kitchen hacks to good use? Let us know how it goes, and be sure to share this video with your hungry friends. Watch these yet? Subscribe to our channel so you never miss out!